Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you a simple problem solution that every spit cube face. That's called corner twist. Like corners are scrambled. Yellow's corner piece went to red, and red's corner piece went to blue, and blue's corner piece went to yellow. So for that, our 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 today's lesson is that we're gonna solution that, and so let's get started. For solving that, you are seeing that here is the corners are messed. Like yellow's corner went to red, and blue's corner went to yellow. Saying for this solution, you need to hold the corner, which corner which corner scrambled, and give it a twist. Now you are saying here is it's this problem is solved. This problem is solved. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So if you enjoyed the video, like it, and comment what you remarked, and if you would like to support our channel, you could subscribe our channel. So do it without delay. So bye.